Hey, whoa, slow down, guys. We're getting way too ahead of ourselves. Hey, what's going on, guys? John from Sublime Tech. Wanted to bring you an unboxing video today. It's a new product that came out recently on the 28th of January. It's the new DJI Mavic Air. Not only is this a new product to recently come out from DJI's lineup of Mavic drones, but it just happens to be the first drone I've ever purchased, so I'm not really sure what to expect. But let's go ahead and open it up. Start with the accessories, gear, blade guards, documentation, bunch of books. Read that later. Got a pouch. It's like a microfiber. Just like regular cloth. Let's see what's inside of here. USB Type-C, a couple extra cables to connect different types of devices. I think it's default to Apple devices. Extra propeller guard or blades, the controller, 1, 2 additional batteries, charging brick. Here it is, guys, Mavic Air. Let's see what's inside. Unfold the front arms forward. Let's peel our stickers as we go. Unfold the rear arm backward. Forward, forward, backward, backward. Oh. So it doesn't click afterwards. Oh, it like rotates out. Whoa, that is cool. Did you guys see that? This one kind of just springs forward. Pretty normal. But then this one swivels up and out. Man, this thing is tiny. So underneath, power on and off, press and hold the button. We'll read that later. So there's 2 tabs to release the gimbal clamp. And unfold the landing gear. I believe there's 2 more stickers. Very satisfying little click here. We'll check it out without the gimbal cover. Just slips right off. Man, this thing is tiny. Come on. Looks like it's just a little protective plastic. Okay, guys, now that we got everything out of the box, we're going to check out some B-roll footage, and then we're going to see a couple clips of the maiden flight for the DJI Mavic Air. Hope you enjoy.